Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for you. Today I'm going to show you how to draw GIFfany, a character from Gravity Falls, and this was a request from this wonderful person right here. So thank you for the request, and if there's ever anything you want to learn how to draw, then leave a comment down below and let me know what it is. Alright, so before we get started, please feel free to leave a like. And if you're new here, it would be awesome if you would subscribe and stick around for all of our daily doodles that we do. All right, so I'm gonna get started with the eyes. I often start with the eyes, but just for no particular reason, I guess. All right, so I'm gonna do a bit of a curve like that, kind of like a candy cane shape. And then give it a little line here for the bottom. And then we're going to do an inside shape here, a big oval. And we're going to do a circle on the top and just a little kind of slanted oval in on the bottom there. And I'm going to color the rest in all black. Just like that. And I'm going to thicken up this top part here just a bit. Just going over it a few times, make it a little bit thicker. And I'm going to do a couple little eyelashes and an eyebrow. Like that. All right, next, let's do the other eye. So we're going to give a little bit of space, and then we're going to do our best to kind of make the mirror image of that eye we just did. But it doesn't have to be super duper perfect, and it's okay if it doesn't look exactly like the other eye. We're just having fun here, drawing, practicing. It's all about practice. See, I can already tell that this one I'm doing is going to be a little bit bigger than this one, and that's okay. It's totally fine. All right, so do the inside. And that inside oval. Everything else all dark. Yeah, this one is already a little bit bigger, but that's okay. That's fine. And a few little eyelashes and an eyebrow. All right, so next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a little bit of hair. So we're going to do a chunk of hair here in between the eyes. And then I'm going to do one above that eye there. And we're going to do another one past the eye. And over on this side, we can do one right here. And then a little curve right here. And we'll do a little curve over here too. And now let's do a little nose. It's going to be like just like a little hill. And a cute little smile underneath that little nose. And right here, coming from both sides, right next to the eyes, we can do a big stroke of hair. Just a big bit of hair like that. And now let's do her face shape. Just do a rounded face here. And she's gonna have some cute little circles under her eyes, like little blushy spots. And a little ear here on the side, on both sides. Like that. And let's see, let's do the top of her head here, top of her hair. Like that, just rounded. And she's got a great big bow on top of her head. So we're gonna do like a little block right here. And then come on up and do like another little inside block. And now let's work on the bow part. So I did a big curve like that, and then come on down straight. And then we can kind of follow that first curve we did. That same shape, only a bit lower. And now right here, this point, let's bring a line from there, curving and going right to there. And now we can do a little curve line. So we've got the front part and then the inside part. And let's do 1, 2 lines here, because this bow is going to be broken up into 3 different colors, yellow, blue, and red. And let's do that on the inside too. So 1 and 2. Now, we've got a tail coming out of the bow, a little piece. So let's do a rectangle here. And then I'm going to do 2 little slanted lines and do another little line, straight one. And then do 1, 2, 3, 4 lines here. So we have this separated into little blocks. And now I'm going to curve this a little bit, curve this one too, do a little straight line right there, come on down a bit, and then a little slanted line there, and come on up, and then come on up this way too. And we're going to do those three lines to separate this bow into 3 different colors, like that. So now we've got 1/2 of the bow done. Now we can do the exact same thing over on the other side, only just like the mirror image. So we can do this big curve and come on down, do another one like that. Now we're doing the underneath part. And we can do that little rectangle, separate it into some different little smaller rectangles. And now we're going to separate the bow into the 3 different colors. So 1 line there, another line, and then underneath, and then here for this little tail part. All right, great. All right, so now let's do the neck. Coming on down here, and then a little V shape. She's got a V-shaped collar for her outfit. And let's do another little bow. So a little like square, and coming on out. Same on the other side. And then give it 2 little tails. And now we're going to do a line here and one on the other side, and do a curve, and same here. And we're going to do another line and another line, same on the other side, another line and another line. Now let's do her shoulder, other shoulder, and we can draw a bit of a chest here, same on the other side. And here for her her sides, and we can do a little curve like that. So now let's do a straight line here, bring it down, and then do another straight line, same on the other side. And now we're going to put a strip here in between, sorry, not in between, but we're gonna have a strip of white in between these 2 bits, and they're gonna be colored blue. So now let's do the skirt. So I'm going to do a slanted line and another slanted line. So it's going to be kind of like flowy. And let's see, we can draw a few lines here to help give it a bit of a flow to the fabric, like that. And she can have her hands behind her back. So we can just draw these two slanted lines for her arms. And let's do the rest of her hair. Her hair is going to be flowing this way. Maybe the wind is taking it. So she's got some really, really long hair. So I'm just going to draw a bit here on this side. And then the wind is taking it onto the other side. And come on up. And give it another little bit of a point there. And then another one. All right, so we've got our drawing done, and now I'm going to get started with the coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our drawing of GIFfany from Gravity Falls. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!